Kublai pi baro tengah jas papi pi baro sha kani ka channel jonga tega ba mentah sengi ma te mentah sengi ngamut banet jenglai tengah ngamut banet situ siapa program jong ka hilome kalaya ba ngasha nominate ma te hi ngasuk ban wala da tama ka jis dan jonga henry ngasha nominate pat te ka dei ka ek ka ba kong san ma te mentah tedang stamp mentah kat no beje shpo beje mentah te mentah ngan sudap ngan sukitia shpang ada baik kemana ada di syai betul te mentah pat shpang ngan lek no sha dukan te na dukan pat te ngan sakret ngan dukan try ngan muan sushi yang nama guys pe mentah ngan sudap tak tang concealer ngan pat eye foundation te naklet ban pini pini do mene nama mas pai nga pet ke gitu te ngan shu slim te mentah nang lek ni tak tang concealer hi ngan pat eye ma klem le foundation ngan tang concealer ngan mana kadang Peter Simoni by hair color em cuma tersim. Hayat hi kami ni. Nak lebih melai itu kata kolong untuk dunia mata boleh shit pel em kerana tak lebih melai. Tapi foundation aku main concealer lah ada blends. Ya tahu mana. Baik jangan makan dulu. Nang tangan draw yung eyebrow. Draw yung eyebrow. Tingnan naman nga pijit pa tingnan sa pan-EVP final look. Okay? Blusher. Baik, aku tak nanti tak enak sekali. Sekarang final look jangan minta tem sekajang tem saus nyuk pada saus nyuk seperti saus nyuk mah itu bonto nama balai ya belak tu nama ipenyat yang tu you tu nama baula la cing em thì penyat tu im nong penyat ngam pedir pada pi thì nong pen kuat ya tu tak ada itu jingnyat pada yok sat
nak kena deh.
Ya bas mi lang.
Hah?
Ya lang.
Gua anji bener.
Sedikit pisah.
Baik, yang ada final look seperti ini. Dia mau pen full roll nang nomor bakal dekat foto Islam teh di jus
Hello.
Hello Meghalaya. Bentang ya kundu ya ikalish. Thanks.
Lamnya selain kalish.
Ngalamnya saat ya fena nila ya kundu. Bentang.
Asalamat mo. Asalamat mo.
Bentang ya dan bentang Sherry. Ismo kumnawan takas yang dia.
So basi kan kadika second time jonga panganwan ki award sistem kadika kot ya sistem jong dhaka mta jok shit kerang
All the best. Kiwan buat ya no.
Wow, why you ask? Don't know what?
Bakam tip kayo ngisay kali.
Ya, ikon aja ke Sherilyn
Oi,
kawa.
share let pangwan. Bentang idan ro ya inorway jok shit
Inorway.
kerang. Kumno, ismo kumno.
kan kadika first time bangawan kadika award ngakemen mo best pelan untuk mengawai mo dan bok kata kuwe mo dan bok banjok mo tangkata nabi
One, check. 1, 2, 3.
check check
Nah, back Russia front row.
Thôi, mình đang phải đi chơi cùng bọn. Nha, áp sức. Phi thì bây giờ là mi thì đang đẹp chân rồi ấy. Bây giờ phi mà, được. Chúng mình.
You mean like a moment where I
Yeah, a
decided?
moment when you mean, I mean that a moment that you think that this is it. Yeah.
Yeah, I think ever since I started doing music, I always felt like this is it. I've never felt different. I think ever since I was small, I always knew that this was gonna happen. And I think it's very important to feel that way every day.
Okay. Thank you. Keep rocking.
Thank you.
Can we have a second question, please?
About making music in Shillong that people outside Meghalaya that just don't get.
You mean what is it that we have that people don't understand?
Yes.
Okay. I think it's a story. You know, when you come from a place like this, you have to have like very big dreams. And I think we have a very unique story to tell. I think that's something that we should help people understand, not look at it as something as, oh, they don't get us, or they don't understand us, but like maybe this is something that is different about us and something that can actually drive our art. I hope that answers it.
Thank you so much. You're welcome.
So, let's hand the mic over to Service.
When you hear Icon of the Year, who's the first person you want to share that with?
Icon of the Year? Was that the name of the award?
Yes.
Oh, I'm so sorry. I am very, very, my mind's always in different places. You mean who would I want to share this with, right?
Yes.
I think everybody who helped me out. Like when I was in Shillong, Dimon, he was making music with the Kasi Bloods. And he started this thing, he helped out a lot of young artists. I was just another young artist trying to make music, and there was Dimon, there was Nak. Nak is not here today.
Tasi piliang. Dikat biang. Padlong to tasi piliang.
Karbon ke?
Ini dah mulai kat biang. pilih kan biang Tiang, ngan mut pilih kan biang pilih dapat amene biang. Akadak. Pi. Kanop peliang.
Kalau pilihan babon ketika lah sudah.
Kamut pi bam dok sudah ya.
Masa kerja fashion tadi.
2 kaliเข้า ถ่ายเลยถึงสายเป็นกฎหมายบ้างSebentar ke program kelawai tinggal dia benda nyok siang dia.
Nah, kan ni dikasih ke komen bahaya ni baru di saya kedua pada ada next year yang dan video so like, share and subscribe ya kah penun. Ang sila vlog penun yang.
Bye.